First thing is reading, second thing is writing, third thing is understanding, and last but not the least, most important thing is speaking as well. So you need to work on those skills as well. Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. Welcome to my channel Merchant Navy Decoded guys, and today's video is about how to prepare for MEO class 4 exam. Well guys, to be very honest, MEO class 4 कोई बहुत tough exam नहीं है. But if you prepare in a wise way. Now, I have made a lot of mistakes when I was preparing for my MEO class 4, class 2, class 1 exams, and I have also observed a lot of people making mistakes in those same genres. So if you are really interested to crack your MEO class 4 exam in the first attempt, number one thing, be a smart worker, not a hard worker. How do you do that? सबसे पहले analyze करो कि see, there are a lot of centers like Kolkata Center, Delhi Center, Mumbai Center, Chennai Center. Where is the passing percentage more? So there was a time where Cochin had a very good passing percentage. So some of my friends shifted over there and they could clear their exams at a faster rate. So wherever you find the passing percentage to be more, shift to that center immediately. Copied? So if you find that the passing percentage is very good in MMD Chennai, transfer exam over there. Number one thing. Second thing is, suppose now that you have transferred yourself to MMD Chennai or MMD Kolkata or MMD Cochin, whichever it is, now you have to go there, form a circle out there, find out what kind of questions are being asked, who is the interviewer, because each interviewer will have a set of certain questions and would love to hear a certain kind of answer as well. Now this is very, very important. I am not interested in the written part because I guess वो objective form में आता है. Even if it is written form, if you have done the last 12 months of question papers, you will be doing good. Good handwriting, number of diagrams should be good enough, and पिछले last 1.5 years papers, just do that and written is good to go. When it comes to orals, it becomes an harassment if you are a hard worker and not a smart worker. So you need to find out, you need to understand your interviewer well. Say if you are talking about MMD Chennai and you know there are 3 interviewers, you need to know each and every interviewer well. That is where you need to do the hard work. कि भैया ये interview, what kind of questions is this kind of interviewer asking? What are his pet questions? What does he want to hear? Form those telegram groups. Discuss with your friends. Make your notes. And in the last but not the least, give a lot of mock interviews. Say you form a group of 10 friends, sit together and give mock interviews to each other. Okay, you tell me bhai, what is the MARPOL Annex 6 regulation, what is MARPOL Annex 12 Annex 5 regulation, what is MARPOL Annex 2 regulation, and what all are there out there. So when you talk about it, sometimes what happens, we read something, we learn it, but we are not able to comprehend and speak it in a good way. When you are not speaking it, how will the interviewer understand that you know those things well? So understand, first thing is reading, second thing is writing, third thing is understanding, and last but not the least, most important thing is speaking as well. So you need to work on those skills as well. So again, Jai Mata Di, coming across. Point number 1, find out a MMD center where the passing ratio is good. Done. Second thing is, know your interviewer, find out the questions being asked, what kind of answers they want to listen. That is the smart work. Third thing is, solve previous year questions for a written test. Very, very important. Make sure that your handwriting is good and you do a lot of diagrams in your written part. And fourthly, form a group. Give lot of mock interviews. Remember, apart from reading, writing and learning, it is what you speak that matters. So your confidence needs to build up. Everyone can clear the interview if you have that rocket behind that if I fail, I will be losing 2 months, and those 2 months means 2 months of salary that can amount in lakhs. So if you are interested in earning money, if you want to become big in life, you can't lose, right? Each and every moment is important. Last but not the least guys, if you have enjoyed the video, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the YouTube channel as well. And I would also request each one of you to go through this playlist and watch all those videos, because each video is going to give you some or the other important information, something important to learn. We are here to grow guys. Thank you very much.